It's me. And guess what? Remember Dawn Drive and Glenview Drive? I'm gonna give you guys some updates of what happened. So here we go. Still broken. God darn it, still broken. Pedestrian. Huh? Is this one broken too?
I don't know, maybe you should try this one. That one works, doesn't it?
Yep. It also makes, listen, when I hold on to it, it sounds like a cat purring. This one's broken. This one works too, Mommy. Creepy. This one sounds a little, this one's covered in spider nests. Look, Mom, this one works, Mommy. This is an older, I haven't been to this one before. Alright, here's the lights right here. I'm gonna see what happens next. Nothing happened here. Spider nests. No spiders. I'm testing it one more time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to see more videos. And I'll see you guys next time, everybody. So bye.